Prince Harry furious over King Charles' advice ahead of legal battle. GMB star confirms. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Prince Harry is reportedly very close to a settlement in his legal battle with the press, but was allegedly unhappy with King Charles' words of wisdom. Prince Harry is reportedly close to making a potential settlement with the press in an ongoing legal battle. Now, one royal expert has shared how the ongoing trial impacted Harry's relationship with his family, particularly his dad, King Charles, who told him, "You won't win." Jack Royston, chief royal correspondent for Newsweek, told Good Morning Britain's Richard Medley and Susanna Reid, "I don't think Harry will have discussed it with his family back in the UK. His father used to tell him just ignore the papers, ignore them. You can't win." And Harry was furious when his father told him that. He continued, "Not only that, but his brother," Prince Harry said in a witness statement in 2023, "William took the money to go quietly. We understand that William was paid about £1 million by News UK. It was considered a huge attack on his brother at the time, so now, if Harry does take the settlement, it's going to look really awkward. It comes as the Duke of Sussex is suing News Group newspapers, NGN, over allegations of unlawful information gathering. However, the company denies any unlawful activity took place at The Sun." The trial had been due to start at the High Court in London at 10:30 am yesterday morning, January 21, but was delayed twice. Barristers for both sides requested an adjournment until 10 am today. NGN's barrister Anthony Hudson said both parties have been involved in very intense negotiations over the last few days, and the reality is we are very close. He said, "Very unusually, both parties are in complete agreement that this is a very important step. The number of times the parties have been in agreement in this litigation are very few and far between. Both parties feel they have no choice but to persist in this." However, at 2 p.m, the trial judge, Mr. Justice Fancourt, refused a third joint request from legal counsel to adjourn until Wednesday. He responded to the request saying the two sides had had ample time to come to terms, and he was not persuaded there was a real will to settle the case. Harry first brought his lawsuit in 2019. He has said he hopes to get the truth after other claimants settled to avoid risking multi-million-pound legal bills, which they could have been forced to pay even if they won in court. Prince Harry is reportedly feeling immense frustration as he navigates a high-stakes legal battle with the press, particularly with his family's advice hanging over him. A settlement in his ongoing lawsuit against News Group newspapers, NGN, the publisher behind The Sun, seems imminent, but it appears Harry's relationship with his father, King Charles, has been further strained by the trial. The legal proceedings stem from allegations of unlawful information gathering by the press, with Prince Harry, along with other prominent figures, seeking to uncover the truth. As the case heads toward a potential settlement, royal expert Jack Royston shared a revealing insight into Harry's ongoing tension with his family. Royston spoke about how King Charles' advice to his son had deeply upset the Duke of Sussex. According to Royston, King Charles' words of wisdom were far from supportive. The king reportedly told Harry, "You won't win," advising him to simply ignore the press. However, Harry's reaction was far from what his father might have hoped. Harry was furious when his father told him that, Royston remarked during an appearance on Good Morning Britain. This revelation adds another layer to the complex relationship Harry has with his family. His frustration with his father's dismissive stance on the matter suggests a fundamental divide between the two, especially as the media storm surrounding Harry has only grown in intensity over the years. The legal saga, which began in 2019, is not just about money or damages. It's about Harry's quest for the truth. While other claimants have settled to avoid astronomical legal bills, Harry has remained resolute in his desire to get to the heart of the matter. However, the ongoing negotiations seem to indicate that a settlement might be in the cards, especially as both sides have reportedly made significant progress in talks. As the trial drags on, it's becoming clear that this legal battle is about more than just the media. It's about Harry's sense of justice and the ongoing fractures within his family. The world is waiting to see what happens next in this royal drama. Whether Harry will continue his fight for truth or accept a resolution that may not sit well with his family.